If Canada is your next study destination, you need to see this first. In today's video, I'll be revealing Canadian universities that offer lots of scholarships to help international students reduce tuition costs. Let's get you one step closer to your study abroad dream. Don't forget to subscribe and watch to the end. These are the best universities to consider for 2026. Number 1. McGill University offers merit-based and need-based scholarships, including automatic one-year entrance awards and larger renewable major entrance scholarships for high-achieving undergraduates. For graduate students, there are prestigious options like the McCall-McBain Scholarship and other faculty and external awards that can cover tuition and living expenses. Number 2. The University of Toronto offers many merit-based scholarships, including automatic entrance awards for high-achieving domestic and international students and larger renewable awards like the International Scholar Award, and the prestigious Lester B. Pearson International Scholarship for exceptional international undergraduates. Most admission scholarships are considered automatically when you apply, while additional awards can be accessed through the awards profile or specific applications, and graduate students also have access to various faculty and external funding opportunities. Number 3. University of British Columbia. It offers a wide range of scholarships and awards for both domestic and international students, including merit-based entrance scholarships like the International Major Entrance Scholarship, IMES, and Outstanding International Student Award that can significantly reduce tuition costs for high-achieving undergraduates. For students with exceptional academic records and leadership or financial need, prestigious need and merit awards such as the Karen McKellen International Leader of Tomorrow and other International Scholars Program awards. Number 4. Queen's University. It offers strong entrance and major scholarships for high-achieving students, including the Chancellor's Scholarship, Arts and Science International Admission Award, and Commerce and Engineering International Awards that can total up to about 100,000 Canadian dollars over 4 years. Students may also receive automatic entrance scholarships based on grades, plus additional faculty and external awards for both undergraduate and graduate studies. Before we find out the last university, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more important information. Lastly, York University. This university offers a range of scholarships and awards for both domestic and international students, including automatic entrance scholarships, valued up to around $37,500 over 4 years, based on your final high school average when you apply. There are also prestigious application-based awards like the President's International Scholarship of Excellence, up to $180,000, the Tendanavaya Award, up to $120,000, Global Leader of Tomorrow Awards, and faculty-specific scholarships recognizing leadership and academic excellence. Thanks for watching, see you again.